Okay, so today we are going to start exercise 3A from question number 11. Okay, so all of you try to understand actually this question number 11, very good question, very important question we can say. So in this question number 11, all of you just check your book also. In this question number 11 that is given, find the greatest number, find the greatest number of 4 digit that is exactly divisible by 12, 16, 24, 28 and 36. Try to understand. Still, those questions we are done in this exercise. This each and every questions we are find out what is the least number. But in this question says what is the 4 digit greatest number that is exactly divisible by these all the given numbers. So how we'll find out? Let's see. All of you trying to understand this question is very important. Okay. So here numbers are given, different numbers, that is 12, 16, 24, 28 and 36. These are the numbers we can say that is given. So students, actually first of all, we have to find out what is the LCM of 12, 16, 24, 28 and 36. That is our first process we can say. So how will say LCM of these numbers? So similar way we can say, first of all I have to make this a long division method. Division method, what is this? We can say 12, 16, 24, 28 and 36 is there. First of all we will take 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 12 is 24, 2 14 is 28, 2 18 is 36. Done. Again these all the numbers are divisible by again 2. So let's see. 2 will take 3, 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 9 are 18. Done. Now students again check it here. 2, 3 as it is, because we know 3 is not divisible by 2. Okay, those students today only joined, obviously आपके लिए थोड़ा सा problem issue होगा because you are not taking first class, you are not taking from first day. So those students are old, already taken my classes, they easily understood these questions, this method obviously. Now 2 3 as it is, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, again 7 is not divisible by 2, that's why we are written as it is. Now again 9 we will take as it is. Now students tell me which is the number we'll take? Yes, 2 only, because only 2 is the number that is divisible by 2. That's why we'll write down again 2, 3, 1, 3, 7 and 9. Okay, now we'll take which number? We'll take 3, because we know 3, 3 and 9 is the numbers, that numbers are easily divisible by 3. Okay na? So 3 1 ja 3, 1 as it is, again 3 1 ja 3, 7 as it is, and 3 3 is a 9. Okay. Now take again 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 7 as it is, 1. At last we'll take 7 only. 7 1 ja 7, 1 1 1 1. So this is your complete. अब क्या करने वाले हम? We have to find out LCM is equals to whatever numbers are given here. These all the numbers we have to multiply them. How? Like this. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. कितना बार है देख लेते हैं ना, 1 2 3 4. Okay. And multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. Now tell me students, what is the LCM of these numbers? चलो मुझे फाइंड करके फटाफट बताओ. What is the answer of this multiplication? If you multiply all the numbers, then what is the correct answer? All of you find out. Find out fast. Yes, students, all of you find out and tell me what is the answer. Yes, Kavyanjali is already given answer. Very good. Muskan also given 1008. Now try to understand. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे सर 1008 is the correct answer? No. If your question says what is the smallest number, what is the least number that is divisible by 12, 16, 24, 28, 36, then 100% we can say this is the correct answer. But यहाँ पे बोला है ऐसे, what is the greatest 4-digit number? बात समझना अच्छे से. What is the greatest 4-digit number that should be divisible by this? तो उस केस में आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? उस केस में हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? See, first of all think in your mind what is the greatest 5-digit number. सबसे पहले ये आपको सोचना है what is the greatest 5-digit number. We can say not greatest 5-digit number, ये कर दो आप. What is the smallest 5-digit number? We can say, चलो मैं एक पेज और ले लेता हूं. We can say 10,000. Try to understand the concept. We know smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000, correct? Okay. Now what have to do? Whatever your LCM is there, जो भी हमारे पास LCM आ चुका है 1008, that we have to divide. We have to divide it by 1008. Okay. Try to understand the concept. Now we know 1008 how many times go? That is 9 times. That is 9 times. See, 9 8 is 72. 7 here. 900. 7 is there. 900 and 9 1 is 9. Okay. 9 times. Write down here. 9072. Okay. 10 minus 2 8. Carry. 10 minus carry 9. 9 minus 7, that is 2. 10 minus carry 9. 9 minus 0 9. So 928 is coming. ठीक है ना, बात समझना. 928 is coming. This is reminder. This is what? This is reminder. So we can say 10,000 minus whatever your remainder is there, 928 is equals to how many answers is coming? 9072. And we can say 9072 is the greatest 4-digit number that should be divisible by, just wait one time, that should be divisible by 12. Just wait. Yes. Now see, that should be divisible by 12, 16, 24, 28 and 36. So what is the process? Actually I know this is very lengthy process. अब थोड़ा सा hodgepodge भी हो गए होंगे, but again I'm telling you, first of all you have to find out the LCM. Okay, then whatever your LCM will come, that is LCM you have to put in your mind. Afterwards what you have to do, देखना next page में क्या किया मैंने. In that next page we are taken, इसमें क्या बोला है आपका 4-digit number find करना है ना, that's why we are taken 5-digit number. We have to taken that is smallest 5-digit number. Okay, and whatever your smallest 5-digit number is there, that is divided by whatever your LCM is there, उससे हमने divide कर दिया. And after division whatever your remainder will come, that remainder minus 10,000, and that is your 100% correct answer. We can say 9072 is the greatest 4-digit number that is divisible by 12 also, 16 also, and whatever number is given. Okay, and write down all of you, this is your complete answer. Actually I know this is lengthy process, but आपको इसी तरीके से सारे क्वेश्चन करना है whenever this type of question is given. Okay, actually this question like 5 marks question will come in exam. This question will come 5 marks जब आपका half yearly examination होंगे in that time. Okay, understood? Okay, just wait. Just okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Okay, now all of you see here. Now question number 13 is there. Question number 12, sorry, question number 12 is. Now try to understand question number 12 is very easy, not take very hard. This is very easy question we can say. Now in question number 12 that is given, for each of the following pairs of the numbers, show that the product of HCF and LCM equal to their products. मतलब क्या इसका? Try to understand. Actually this is the formula, all of you note down the formula. HCF multiply LCM is equals to product of these two numbers. Suppose in front of you two number is there, आपके सामने दो नंबर दे रखा है ना, and if you multiply these two numbers, that is equals to HCF multiply LCM. Okay, that is known as very important formula. इस formula के help से हम बहुत कुछ निकाल सकते है ना. So according to that formula only we can solve today. Let's see which question is given. Question number 12, first part. In first part that is given 14 and 21. That is your first question. ठीक है ना. अब इसको कैसे solve करें? Try to understand. First question I will do. Next question you have to solve yourself. So students, first of all, if I find out the HCF of these two number, कैसे find करते हैं HCF? Remember all of you how to find out HCF? See here. First of all, if I find out HCF 14, what is the prime factors of 14? Let's see. 2. 2 7 ja 14, correct? 7 1 ja 7. Okay. Write down all of you. 14 is equals to 2 multiply 7. And again 21 will take. So if I take 21, then this is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. So 3 7 ja 21. Again take 7. 7 1 ja 7. So write down all of you. 21 is equals to 3 multiply by 7. No issue. Okay. Now HCF is equals to, students, HCF is equals to, कैसे हम HCF फाइंड करते हैं? Like this, whichever common factor is there. कौन सा common factor है हमारे पास? 7. Yes. So from these two 7, we will take 1 7. We'll take 1 7. That is your highest common factor. ठीक है ना? This is known as highest common factor. अगर आप इससे आप LCM फाइंड करने का कोशिश करो तो कैसे करोगे? ये मैंने अभी तक प्रोसेस बताया नहीं आप लोगों को. So try to understand how to find out from these prime factors only LCM कैसे find करें. So try to understand all of you. Be focused. How to find out LCM from this? First of all, from these two factors, whichever your common factor is there, write down here 7. And afterwards, जो भी number आपका factors common factor नहीं है, whatever your like different factor is there, you have to multiply them. कैसे? देखो 7 multiply 2 multiply 3, and the answer will be 7 2 ja 14, 14 3 ja 42. Yes, that is your LCM. इस तरीके से हमें LCM फाइंड करना पड़ता है with the help of prime factorization method. मैं एक बार मैं और बता रहा हूँ. From these two common numbers, one number you have to take, and whatever your remaining numbers are there, you have to multiply them, and that is your LCM. अब आप चेक कर सकते हो आपका LCM और HCF सही आया या नहीं आया. कैसे? See here. We know this formula, LCM multiply HCF is equals to first number multiply second number. ठीक है ना? अब LCM is equals to how many? That is 42. Write down 42 here. HCF is equals to how many? That is 7. Write down 7 is equal. First number 14. Second number 21. Students, do you know multiplication? मुझे multiplication करके बताओ ना. How many answer will come? 42 into 7, how many? And 14 into 21, how many will come? Tell me, students, 42 multiplied by 7, how many will come? Obviously, we can say 7 2 ja 14, 1 carry, 7 4 ja 28, 29. We can say 294 will come. 294 will come. And here is equals to, yes, 294. That means we can say in both case 294 will come. That means your HCF and LCM both are 100% correct. Okay, understood? These both are 100% correct. Again, I'm telling you, students, those students are very late. I'm seeing here continuously many students are coming, but very, very late. So you can't understand, obviously. जो पहले से एकदम starting से class ले रहे से they only understand. So all of you join fix 9 o'clock. I don't know what is your reason. अब क्यों late हो रहे हो ये मुझे देखना नहीं है. Okay, all of you join fix 9 o'clock. Okay, now we'll move. I hope this question understood. All of you just thumbs up like this. I hope all of you understood this question. This question under Ananya, what happened? Priya, what happened? Okay, so I will take another question, no issue. 60% if you understand 60%, that is also enough. Okay, now we'll move. Next question. Chalo, next question. Another question. Not speak anyone, all of you mute your voice. I am seeing 1-2 students that disturb the class. So second question, 27 and 90 is there. Okay, try to understand. Same process से करेंगे. First of all, we will find out the prime factorization of 27. Prime factorization of 27. कैसे find करेंगे? See, 3 is the number, है ना? 3 9s are 27. Done. Now 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 1s are 3. It is also okay. No issue. And write down students 27 is equals to. बात समझ लो अच्छे से. यहाँ पे मुझे 61 स्टूडेंट्स दिखाई दे रहा है अभी. 61 स्टूडेंट्स है तो 61 से मुझे क्वेरी, अब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा अभी अगर नहीं देखोगे अच्छे से. 27 is equals to 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay. Now we have to find out the 90. What is the prime factors of 90? So obviously we'll start from 2 because यहाँ पे मेरे पास 0 है. That's why I'll take 2. Now 45 write down first of all. Done. Because 90 divided by 2 45 will come. कैसे है? 90 divided by 2 that is 45. और divide आपको fast आना चाहिए. ठीक है. Now we'll take 2. No, we'll take 3. So this is 15 times. How many times? 15 times. 45 divided by 3 that is 15. Okay. Now we'll take 3. 3 5s are 15. That is also okay. 5 1s are 5. That is also okay. No issue. Now write down students 90 is equals to 2 multiply this multiplication only. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Done. यहाँ तक तो प्रोसेस समझ में आ गया ना? No issue. Okay. Now we have to find out SCF. We have to find out the SCF. So how? See here like this. सबसे पहले हमें देखना पड़ता है ये which are the common factors, है ना? Which are the common factors like this. Here also 3, here also 3. So from this 2 3 we will take only 1 3. Write down only 1 3. No issue. Multiplication. From this 2 3 again we'll take how many 3? Only 1 3. Write down only 1. Okay. अब देखो यहाँ पे तो 3 है but यहाँ पे और 3 है ही नहीं. So how will take? Here 1 5 but here not having any 5. So we'll not take. Here 1 2 but here not having a single 2. That's why not write down. So SCF is equals to how many? SCF is equals to 9. यहाँ तक कोई problem नहीं है. SCF how will find? No issue ना? Okay. Now we'll find out LCM. अब बात सुनो LCM का. Now how we will find out the LCM? अच्छे से समझना. First of all, from these two common factors, we'll take obviously ये तो हमें लेना ही है 3 into 3. ले लिया ना? Same thing. SCF में जो आ रहा है वो तो लेना ही है. But remaining numbers, whatever your remaining numbers are there. Suppose here 3 is remaining, write down 3. Here 2 is remaining, write down 2. Here 5 is remaining, write down 5. So this all the numbers have to multiply like this 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 2 ja 54 and 54 5 ja how many? 54 5 ja चलो देख लेते एक बार 0 to carry 270. So this is your LCM. आप माइंड में ये सोच रहे होंगे सर LCM तो हमने और एक मेथड से करे थे. Yes, हमारे पास LCM फाइंड करने के लिए 3 मेथड्स आर अवेलेबल. 3 methods are available. First is listing multiples, है ना? That one listing method. Second, division method. एक साथ सबको हम निकाल देते. This is division method and this is known as prime factorization method. ये आपका prime factorization method है. आप लोग पूछ रहे थे ना थोड़े कुछ दिन पहले, सर just explain me prime factorization method. This is your prime factorization. इस तरीके से हमें prime factorization method का हेल्प से निकालना पड़ता. Okay? Okay. So this is your SCF, this is your LCM. ठीक है, यहाँ पर तो आ गया हम. अब आगे कैसे करें? How to find out? Okay, let's see. Now students, I think all of you know SCF into LCM is equals to formula. This formula all of you know. First number multiply second number. First number multiply second number. So SCF is equals to, that is 9. LCM is equals to 270. First number, that is 27. Second number, 90. Now students, tell me what is the answer of this multiplication. Multiplication करके मुझे फटाफट बताओ. How many multiplication will come? 9 7 जा 63. 3 6 carry. 9 2 जा 18. 18 plus 6. 18 24. 2430. Here इसको करते एक बार. 27 into 9. 9 7 जा 63. 6 carry. 9 2 जा 18. 24. Yes. 2430. Now tell me students, now understood, yes or no? This question, no issue is there. I hope no issue is there. Just thumbs up like this only. Thumbs up. मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा. Why Priya I don't understand? If you focus 100% इस question में समझ में आ जाएगा. Because first of all, our first method we have to find out SCF. Next LCM, and after that this formula we have to use. This formula I have to use only. That is only method. Yes. Okay. Just wait. Very good. Very good. Yes. Now your next question. Let's see. In this next question that is given, question number 13. By using the SCF, find out the LCM. Means with the help of SCF, we have to find out the LCM. So let's see. Very simple question. This is also very easy question. 299 and 391. 299 is there and 391 is there. No issue. Very easy question. Try to understand. First of all, we will find out the SCF. By which method? Division method. Division method याद करो सबसे पहले. We can say 391. Whatever your bigger number is there. Whatever your bigger number is there, write down as a dividend, and whatever your smaller number is there, write down as a divisor. ठीक है ना? Divisor के हिसाब से. Okay. Now 299 1 ja 299. Subtraction is there. 11 minus 9, that is 2. And 9 minus carry 8. But 8 minus 9, it is not possible. 18 minus 9, 9 is there. अब मैंने बताया होगा, आपको याद हो, the whatever your remainder will be there, that will be converted into divisor, and previous divisor convert into dividend. मतलब यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, है ना? Remember? Now again 92 how many times? 92 we can say 3 times. 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27, and write down 27. Okay. Now this is 3 times. 276 is there. Now subtraction. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. Again just do same method. 23 convert into divisor, and this will convert into dividend. 23 how many times? 4 times. 92. Yes. Now stop. Now just stop. We can say this is your SCF. ये क्या हमारे पास? ये हो गया हमारे पास SCF. Now we know SCF. We know numbers. अब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? LCM. बात समझना अच्छे से. Now we know this formula. SCF is multiply LCM is equals to first number multiply second number. Yes or no? लिख सकते हैं ना इस फॉर्मूला को? Now in this formula, students try to understand. In this formula, we know SCF. Put it here. But we don't know LCM. No issue. First number, that is 299. Second number, that is 391. In this equation, we don't know the LCM. बाकी सब कुछ पता है. But how we'll find out LCM? LCM is equals to, we know, 299 multiply 391 divided. देखो, कोई भी नंबर अगर मल्टीप्लीकेशन में होता है ना, that you have to shift it in divide. This is always remember. If any number multiplication is there, and if you want to only LCM, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? You have to divide it by LCM. So we can say come in 23 here. अब आपको क्या करना है? Divide करना है. If you know the divide, then you can easily find out the answer. अब divide करके मैं दिखाता हूँ यहाँ पे shortly as a rough. So किससे divide करें? एक बार कर लेते हैं ना इसको. अब इसको multiplication करके भी divide कर सकते हो. And if you want to divide singly, like single divide, then also you can do. So इससे ये कर लो या इससे ये कर लो, आपका choice है वो. So we can say 299 है ना, डिवाइडेड बाय 23। चलो एक बार देख लेते इसका हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है। 23 1 जा 23, 6 is there, 9 will be there, so 23 3 ja 69. Yes, 13 is the coming, so we can say this is how many times, 13 times. So the answer will be 13 multiply 391. Now tell me students, 391 multiply by 13 is equals to how many? चलो मल्टीप्लीकेशन करो और मुझे बताओ कितना आंसर आएगा. How many answer will come? Find out all of you. Find out fast. 391 multiply 13. Tell me answer fast. 5083. 5083 is the 100% correct answer. Okay, your answer very good. Many of the students giving answer. Arpita Dhaka, many of the students. Yes, correct answer. 5083. This is your 100% correct answer. And as I told you before also, like these all the questions, you can just again check afterwards, because these all the questions video explanation available in your app also. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now we'll move next question. सुन लो आपका होमवर्क क्या रहेगा. In this question number 13, second part. Why you speaking? Question number 13, second part, that you have to solve yourself. And आपके पास में छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन है ना, दैट क्वेश्चन हैव टू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ यू. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये फिनिश कर देते हैं, उसके बाद आपका जो भी डाउट रहेगा वो कल का आपका लेक्चर में बता दूंगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, आंसर ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. Answer true and false. First question, the LCM of two even numbers is their product. The LCM of two even numbers is their product. Is it possible? Not possible. ये possible ही नहीं हो सकता. Because suppose in front of you 2 and 8 is there. है ना? In front of you 2 and 8 is there and these both numbers are even numbers. तो इन दोनों का LCM क्या आपका प्रोडक्ट होगा इन दोनों का? नहीं, ऑब्वियसली नहीं होगा. बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट लाइक दिस वे आल्सो, चेक कर लेते हैं ना एक बार. 2 1 2 4 अगेन 2 1 एज इट इज 2, दिस इज 2 1 1. सो मल्टीप्लाई करो एक बार. 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8. सो 8 इज कमिंग एलसीएम. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट नहीं होगा. 16 इज नॉट करेक्ट आंसर. 16 इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू false. Write down all of you. First statement is equals to false. Next question, all of you see here properly. In this next question says the LCM of numbers is always greater than either of the numbers. Yes, this is your 100% correct. All of you just read one time statement पढ़ो एक बार. In this statement says, if you take any two numbers, suppose 5 and 15, है ना, तो इस 5 और 15 का जब आप LCM फाइंड करोगे, LCM, then what is your LCM? We can say yes, you have to write down in notebook only. जो आपका true false question है, that also you have to write down in notebook properly. So इन दोनों का LCM पता है क्या किसी को कितना आता है? Yes, we can say 15. तो ये हो सकता है इन दोनों नंबर का अगर कंपेयर कराओगे आप, सो इससे ये तो बिगर आ रहा है. मतलब जो भी कोई दो नंबर होगा उससे आपका जो एलसीएम होगा वो ऑब्वियसली ग्रेटर होगा. यस, इफ आई टेक सपोज 2 and 4 एंड इफ आई टेक एलसीएम देन एलसीएम विल कम 4. सो ऑब्वियसली इन दोनों नंबर से एक नंबर तो ऐसे होगा ही होगा जिसमें उसका जो एलसीएम है वो उससे बिगर होना चाहिए, है ना. बट एचसीएफ का केस में ये नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so we can say this is your 100% true statement. This is your 100% true statement. Now next one. Next statement says the LCM of two prime numbers. The LCM of two prime numbers are always their product. Okay, let's see. If I take 3 and 5. If I take 3 and 5 and if I want to find out their LCM, so we can say 3 1 ja and 5 as it is, and here also 5 1 times and 1, so we can say 3 5 ja 15. कितना आंसर होगा 15। और इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो ना एक बार, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई देम देन आल्सो 15। मतलब अगर हमारे सामने दो प्राइम नंबर्स होता है एंड इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड देम एलसीएम देन मल्टीप्लाई देम, क्या करोगे दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, एलसीएम फाइंड ही नहीं करना। When you find out the LCM, then just multiply the numbers. That means we can say this is your 100% true statement. Yes, true statement. ठीक है ना? And fourth one, that fourth one, think and give your answer yourself. Okay, जो fourth part है, that you have to try to give yourself the answer. Okay, understood all of you?